Hi guys, this is Dr. Baker and today we're going to learn how to make a cinnamon tea cake. This is super easy with very simple ingredients and eggless. So let's start with some regular salted butter. I'm using salted butter because I like the taste of salt in my tea cake. Make sure it is at room temperature and soft so that it's easier to mix around. Now add some sugar and start creaming the mixture. What creaming essentially means is you're adding air to the sugar and butter while constantly mixing it until it resembles a smooth, nice, pale and fluffy mixture. Now you add the flaxseed and the water mixture, which is my flax egg, and mix everything till it's a homogeneous mix. I have taken some baking powder into the flour and I'm adding 1/3 of my flour and 1/3 of my milk. I've also infused my milk with vanilla. You can also add cinnamon or skip the flavoring altogether. I'm adding the flour and milk in alternating batches in 3 parts so that my mixture doesn't get too tough. This makes it easier for me to mix around the batter and prevents any lump formation. Now give everything a very good mix until it's a nice, smooth and lump-free batter. Now pour the batter out into a prepared loaf pan which I have lined with some parchment paper. With the help of a spatula, try to level it out or bang it on the table for 2 to 3 times so that the air bubbles disappear. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for around 30 to 35 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. While it is still warm, brush with some regular salted butter on top and sprinkle a very good generous amount of cinnamon sugar. Let it cool down completely and cut into the slices of your size or your preference. I'm going for some really nice around an inch slice. Enjoy it with your tea, coffee or just snack on it. I hope you guys make it, enjoy it. And thank you so much for watching. Head on to my website for complete recipe.